inside this box is some kind of timer. I was not given the key to that lock, so I'll have to have a locksmith come out and cut it off so that I can even find out what's in there. I suspect it might be a timer for the only working light in the common area in the stairwell. I asked Kier to remove their signs after I was at their offices and was given what they told me was every key that they had. A few minutes later, I was interviewing the new management company, and their maintenance department showed up and happily let themselves in to the building that is electronically locked, and then went up these stairs, let themselves into this unit to claim their tools and the equipment that they were supposedly using to clean and refurbish the unit after an eviction that occurred in September. Again, it's now December, and the unit is a mess.